OHCHIT, it's day 272 of opening a pack every day for a year, and today we've got a Strixhaven School of Mages draft booster, the OG Strixhaven now. Thanks so much to Reno Antonson for this one. Here we go. Got Exhilarating Elocution, Excavated Wall, Alan Shield Mage, Eager First Year, Soothsayer Adept, Illustrious Historian, Field Trip, Hunt for Specimens, Star Pupil, Test Summoning, Eye Twitch, Quandrix Apprentice, Ardent Dustspeaker, our rares the Sparring Regimen, and Negate in the Mystical Archives. Awesome looking. Fractal, not the best hits ever, but a cool pack. Thank you so much for watching. We'll do it again tomorrow. Thanks to my Patreons. Bye!